Moose and I are about to go on a little camping trip while Annabelle is out of town. So I'm just going to show you what I do to the RAV4, the 2011, to make it where we can sleep in it. And yeah, we're going to do Virgin Falls tomorrow. So we're going to drive up tonight in the dark and camp out, and then we'll wake up early in the morning to do it, to try to get back to watch a little bit of basketball tomorrow. So let's see how it's done. I like to fold down the back seats all the way and scooch them all the way forward, but then you're left with this big gap right here that you gotta fill in. So got these big pillows that were left at this house when we moved in. I just kind of shove them in there best I can. And this can be the one I sleep with. So we are at the trailhead now. It is 8:30, 9:30 Eastern time. Get the rest of this set up. I got the dog's bed right here, and then my little leg's gonna go here. So. Alright, that's pretty much it. I did bring some thermal pants, some fleek slide pants, and I have another jacket I can wear. So, alright, so we're all snuggled in. We're pretty warm right now. I think it said it was like 24 degrees outside, so we'll see how it feels. I have lots of layers on. Then if he gets cold, I can throw this blanket on top of him, but I run on his own blankie. So we're gonna watch a little Netflix and go to sleep, and we'll try to get up in the morning for sunrise. Definitely could have let it boil a little longer. That's good. Some balloons or something over there. It feels like the start of a scary movie, so I'm just gonna leave it. Why it said high water. The last video we did do Martha's Pretty Point, but we'll skip it today just to get home a little quicker. A lot of basketball this afternoon that I'm trying to get home to watch. Waterfall number 2. We are 2.4 miles from the car. And I see a sign. I'll let you know what the name of this waterfall is when I get up there. Probably not a bad spot to take my first water break. Get some gummies put in my pockets so they can be nice and soft and not break my teeth open. Finally get to see the sun for a second. It's cold down in that cave. It's still cold with the sun. It's not that big of a difference, but it does feel nice. I'll do the long one first, get it out of the way. For the record, I am freezing, but I just took my jacket off because I was sweating. But it's probably 20-ish degrees, 25 degrees. So as soon as you go back into the shade, frozen, but we'll see how long I last till I put it back on. Not much running to be done on this. It's hard enough to walk on without breaking your legs. Unless you have 4 of them, then it's not too bad. Made it to Sheep Cave, and it's kind of cool. It goes all the way down. All these waterfalls kind of end going back into the ground, which is kind of neat. But there's a trail that goes up alongside it. We'll see what we can see. Yeah, you're gonna be attached for this one, buddy. It's crazy. All right, that was Sheep Cave. Next stop is Virgin Falls. Stop and eat a little bit of a snack and then run back up and out to the car. This last little bit, last mile or so has been nice and flat. Not too many rocks except for the one part. So I was able to get another 1.5 miles in pretty fast. This is kind of a special weekend for me and Annabelle. Got engaged 4 years ago yesterday on the 20th. So we always try to get a big hike in on the 3rd weekend of February. It's kind of been our tradition to do Mount LeConte for 3 or 4 years straight. She had to go home and help her mom with the consignment sale this year, so we'll do a big trip in honor of that, and then we are going to try to hit the Smokies at some point before the semester's over. So came over this hill, we can hear something. It sounds like a waterfall. I think I can see the top of it. There it is. Now we just got to get a good view of it. Go up and around. I think I did it last time, but not with the eyes or with the dog. The whole time I take a break, he just jumps around and wants me to go. What? You want to go? Huh? Are you ready? You ready? All right, that wraps up our little break here at the falls. Took us about 2 hours to get here. We'll see how far it gets back, or we'll see how long it takes us to get back to the car. It's about 9 o'clock right now, and 11 was kind of my goal, so we'll see if I can make it. Already made it back to Big Laurel Falls. Whew, now it's time to do the climb. Been a nice last 1.5 miles, 2 miles, just kind of running along, not too many obstacles, but we're about to get the climb done. We are back to the cable crossing, which means we have 1.5 miles to go. Got about an hour till I wanted to be back at 11, so we should make it plenty of time to spare. So let's see how fast I can do it. All right, all done. Almost 9 miles and just cooling off. Got about 0.1 to go before I get to the full 9, so use this chance to cool off from running. Quads were cramping bad there the last mile, but we made it. This is what I've been waiting for. It doesn't explode all over me. it up. It's 11:30 or 10:30 Central. So that means I beat my goal by about 30 minutes, which is great. So now we're gonna drive back home and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.